A lot of people are going to be happy to see the month of January go. It's been a very, very volatile market. What can you take away from what's happened so far at the beginning of the year? Well, I would say this: if you're not familiar or comfortable or have knowledge about technical indicators, I would highly suggest you take 6 weeks, 6 months, a year, and really learn about technical indicators. There are some very basic ones that have really been quite impactful in what we've seen so far. Specifically, I'm going to talk about what's been going on in the S&Ps or the stock indexes. S&P or Dow has been extremely technical. Earlier this year, Christmas, the day after Christmas, we made a low in the S&P market, which corresponded with a very long trend line. So that's the number one thing. Take a look, find out what a trend line is. If you don't know what a trend line is, you really need to understand that so you get better at your trading, get better at your analysis, get better at your entry and exit points. So there's a very long-term trend line there going back to, all the way back to the panic of 08, 09. So we came down there. We didn't exactly hit it, but it was very, very close. Now, since then, what's happened? Well, we've had a retracement. What is a retracement? Well, we had about a 20% sell-off from the high to the low. We've now rallied back 392 points. If you had the foresight or the gumption or the wherewithal to step in on that day when everybody was very worried, the day after Christmas, we've rallied 392 points in 5 weeks. That's 17% return. Now, here's the flip side to technical analysis or technical indicators. They don't always work. And they can also be a crutch for you to either not trade or overtrade. But there are times when it's a very, very helpful to have that in your sort of like in your bag of ammunition or whatever you want to call it. You really need to familiarize yourself with technical indicators. Again, and you can just take a look at those two that I just mentioned. The trend line that we had in the S&P, where we found support the day after Christmas, and then this recent retracement. So take a look at those if you're looking for help. This is Chris Robinson. Have a great day.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.